We were sent these illumination solar lights. They're smart solar lights. They work off of an app that you can download to be able to come up with different colors. They even sync to music, so the colors will flash at the beat of the sound as well. As you can see on the back of the box here, they have a pool where you can put the different illumination colors on here. You can create groups. So when you download the app, you can create groups to be able to have it so that the different lights all go into a specific group here. So what I can do here is all the lights, I can go ahead and push this button and then they all turn on. And then I push this button again and I can get them to all turn off. So it's really nice that you can sync a lot of them to this. It doesn't say how many you can sync there, but I'm going to assume that it's a lot. So that's pretty cool that you can do that. Not only are, each light, it's Bluetooth controlled here. So sync it up here to the app to be able to control off Bluetooth. And then once you have it designated, then you can control them all from one platform here. So you can see them turn on there. And let's see here. We'll change the lighting on them. We have lots of different options here for the different lighting that can go into here and different modes that it has. So really cool. This is just the presets. And then you can also select which ones you want to do on your own. All right, a couple other great features about it outside of the app. They are solar paneled. So they have the solar panel on here. One thing it does say that if you wanted them to stay on during the day, that you have to cover the solar panel because it also has a light sensor on there that will automatically turn them off until it gets dark. It does come with a few different mounting positions as well. So here's the main part that goes here. And then it has a stake so you can put it in the ground. Or if you wanted to mount it on a wall, it also comes with wall anchors to be able to mount it in different positions that you want it to be able to have. Really nice too, because other than it going and being blocked by the support here, you really have a little over 180 degrees, maybe 195 degrees positioning that you can control this with. Options, whether you want it to go down or up or side to side. You have a lot of options to be able to where you want to mount that. It has a button on here as well. So if you wanted to control it just by pushing the button, and then you can cycle through all the different colors and it'll turn itself off. Really cool opportunity to be able to customize your lights, whether it's syncing up to music, the lights will start to the beat of the music. You can have each one different colors as well. So even though they're in a group, it doesn't mean that you have to have them all the same color. You can group them, and then as long as you're not changing the preset within the group, you can select each individual light to be able to be whatever color you want it to be, and then you'll be able to have them different colors. So I'll show you how that works here. You can see that they are different colors right now. And then what I would have to do is to be able to have the different colors, I'd have to go into each individual light to be able to select it there. So if I went in and I wanted them all forest, then they're all going to turn this green color. But if I wanted one to be forest and the other one to be a different color, then I just have to go here to the presets and I just select one of them to be different. So this one, I had one be forest and the other one is their preset sunset. As it shows on the picture on the back here, you can have the different colors that go with it. That just comes down to where you want to put them so that if all you're trying to do is just turn them on and turn them off at the same time, then you just hit the power button and they'll come up with whatever color setting you previously had. Pretty cool. These are very easy to be able to mount, very easy to be able to control. And if all else fails, they have an on and off button. Not only does it have a lot of illumination, but you can control the brightness as well. So let's go out and see how bright it is and then how dim it can get. All right, everyone, we have the lights out here. It's dark outside. You can see how they operate. I have different presets that I'm cycling through right now. It is recommended before you fully use them to allow them to charge in the sun for 48 hours, 2 days, 48 hours. So, but right now they do come with a little bit of a charge on them. So they are working fine right now. I did not pre-charge them. But you can go through and change the illumination settings. And then also you can go through and change the dimness settings here. So if you see the lights there, I just put them more dim and then I can go through and make them brighter. I have both of them linked up together here, so it'll go through and change them in sync, which is pretty cool to be able to have that available. You want one of these to be able to illuminate your pool or a water feature that you have. They just have to be pretty close. So this, I don't have a way to stake them here to the stone. You could put some pots around it, or even if you had them at a distance, you're still going to get a little bit of illumination that casts over, but it's not going to go very deep. So if you're trying to get some depth on the illumination there, you really have to have them really up close. Just doesn't have that many lumens to be able to go super deep, but it does give a nice little ambiance and a nice little glow that just provides that extra little atmosphere that you're looking for. I don't have any music playing right now, but you could have them on twinkle as well. So they'll sit there and they'll pulse and they'll go through the different color settings. They're just a really fun thing to be able to have out, to be able to just create a better ambiance for your environment. They work really well. We love them. We know you will as well.